Hey crafty friends, it's Joy here for Honeybee Stamps, and today I am creating a card with some products from the new release that goes live tonight, October 29th, 2025. Okay, so I am using the Lovely Layers Sleigh Bell, the stamp set, the Silent Night stamp set, and the Warm Holiday Wishes stamp and die, and the Merry Moments paper pad. So this is from the Lovely Layer Sleigh Bell, and I'm in love with this die. I have die cut it from colored cardstock. I'm using Rustic Wilderness to ink blend. I'm only really doing that on the leaves, and I also used Mowed Lawn on the lighter color leaves. This is the paper, some of the paper from the Merry Moments pattern paper. I prepped it with an anti-static powder tool. I'm going to use a clear embossing ink, and this stamp is the Silent Night stamp set. It's like a page of music, which is really fun, and I think will be really pretty on the background. We're going to make this very Christmassy, very frosty, and it just feels very vintagey. So I am going to use a white embossing powder for this. So I'm going to ink this up, and I do like to stamp it a couple times. Now I did not get a perfect stamp on the outside letter of this, or outside word of the second night. It was actually totally fine because I wanted this to feel vintage, old, a little distressed. It did not matter. Let me sprinkle on the white embossing powder. And then I'm going to use my heat tool to heat this till it is shiny and melted. And I do have that already going, so it gets nice and hot, especially on pattern paper. It's so thin, it warps really, really easily. So the more your heat tool can be heated up, the better that is for your cardstock. And then I'm just letting it cool down so I can that's when I'm realizing, oh, I didn't get the whole night. I'm gently buffing off the powder tool residue. Okay, so now let's glue together our sleigh bell. I have die cut this from a glitter gold cardstock and a mirror gold cardstock. And I have everything I need set aside. I've already die cut everything again from colored cardstock. The only thing I ink blended was the greenery because I did feel like that needed a little something. I'm going to add the little centerpiece that goes around the bell, and I did that from glitter cardstock. I am going to add some foam adhesive behind this. There is a darling bow and hanger. I die cut that from two different colors of red cardstock. And so I'm going to place this towards the bottom because the ribbon hanger is kind of long. And so I really want this to be centered from top to bottom, obviously side to side as well. And I'm going to add just the tiniest bit of foam adhesive right here at the top and at the bottom because the bell has foam adhesive as well. And so I don't want that just kind of floating around. I feel like that really needs to be adhered down. Okay, let's put together our bow. There's two pieces for the bow itself, and I did a darker color red for behind, like the shadow piece, and a lighter red for the front. Everything else is also the darker red. So let's place this together. And then there's the little tiny centerpiece that goes on the bow itself, and we will put that there. But look at how cute this is coming together. But remember, I did say we're going to make this kind of frosty. So definitely hang on to that because it is so worth it. I think this card turned out so pretty. Now I'm just going to tuck in my greenery and glue that down. And then we have our holly leaves and berries. I did die cut 4 leaves. I only ink blended 3, and that's all I'm going to use. So I'm going to put 2 together at the top of the bell, and then I'm going to have a third one kind of hanging off the back on the right. I do have a little bit of foam adhesive. I feel like that does need to be popped up a bit from the bell, and I'm just using 1mm foam adhesive, so it's not very high. And then a little bit of liquid glue, and we can place our berries here right in the center. And there's different sizes, which is fantastic. And then I have a few more that are from the die cutting one time. And I'm going to place those on the greenery just to add a little something extra. Like I mentioned, the release should go live tonight after the release party. I can't remember what time it is. I almost feel like it's 7 p.m. But now I don't remember. So don't hold me to that. Okay, there's those little berries. And the Misty, I am using the sentiments from the Warm Holiday Wishes. This one says Season's Greetings, and I am inking that up with Rustic Wilderness Distress Oxide ink. And I'm going to tape that down using the using the coordinating die, sorry guys, and run that through my die cut machine. I'm going to add some 2mm foam adhesive just on the outside edges because it's going to go across like the ribbon hanger part there. Okay, now that everything is adhered, let's add some snow. I am using Distress Snowfall Grit Paste. I'm going to add it to all of the leaves. I'm going to add a little bit to the band on that bell that goes across the center. I'm going to add it to the ribbon, to the top of the ribbon hanger part, the little loop at the top, and I'm also going to add it to the whole edge of the card. Now I do have this already adhered to an A2 size card base, and I'm just using a palette knife, and I am just going to put it everywhere, and I'm going to kind of go back over some areas. I'm going to be thicker than others, some thinner. There it is at the top there. This was so much fun. I think this was the most fun part of the card. I feel like it feels, with this, it just adds that vintage frosty look. And now I'm going to do it around the edges, kind of thicker in the corners. Some spots I do want to be a little bit thicker, some spots a little bit thinner, just so it feels a little more natural. And then when this dries, some of it dries kind of clear, kind of not. It looks like icy snow. It's so pretty. Okay, this is done. What do you guys think? I love it. I love these new products from this brand new release. I'm so excited about these. So thanks for joining me today for this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys felt inspired. Bye.